Hi guys, it's Hani here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to make daffodil flowers with royal icing. I am using a tipless bag and I filled it with yellow royal icing, medium stiff consistency, and I'm just gonna cut a V-shape opening on my piping bag. You could use a piping tip. I would say 352 should work, or something slightly smaller if you have a smaller leaf piping tip. However, I actually prefer using tipless bag with a V-shape opening because I'm able to get really close to the template and I just find it easier to use. And you can find this template that I'm using today in my template shop. Link is in the description box under the video. I put the template into a protector sheet. I'm piping directly onto the protector sheet and I'm going to do every other petal. You can see here you have to turn the template sheet. I'm doing 2 rows at a time. So I'm putting pressure on a piping bag and then releasing it, and you'll get a really nice point on your petal or leaf. It's a leaf, but in this case we are using it to create flower petals. So you can see I started with the 3 petals, and then we're going to add those other 3 petals on top of it, like so. So again, I'm doing 1 petal on each flower at a time, doing 2 rows. And I just used actually lemon gel food coloring to color my icing. Now daffodils, they do come in a variety of yellow hues, or sometimes even white with yellow, so you could really play with that and create your own colors to match the design you're looking for or match the project you want to make these for. And these flowers, they can be made ahead of time. When I say ahead, I mean weeks, months ahead. Store these in an airtight container away from direct moisture and sunlight, and they should last you for a very long time. Alright, so once we have the petals done, I'm going to make the trumpet with 105 piping tip. And I colored my yellow royal icing with just a touch of orange. I didn't want to add straight orange from a bottle because it would be too strong. You want it to be just like golden yellow, I would say, or something like that, very light orange. And I'm actually building up the trumpet by making little donuts, and then at the very top I'm doing a zigzag line. So I go around 3 times, 1, 2, and the 3rd line I'm doing the zigzag. So I'm going back and forth with my piping tip. You could also do the petals with orange and then do the trumpet with yellow. I've seen daffodils in those colors. That would be also really pretty. And after you're done with all the piping, you have to set this on a flat surface and just let it dry overnight. It is important that you don't mess with it while it's drying, because they have to dry also inside, so best to let those dry overnight. And once they're dry, you see how easy it is to remove them from the protector sheet. Super easy. And you could, like I said, use these to decorate your cookies and even cakes. I use these to decorate my cookies that I will be sharing with you guys in my Patreon group. A link to the subscription group, it's in the description box under the video. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to check out the template in my template shop. Thank you so much for watching. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe for more decorating videos like this. I'll see you next time.